When a patient is scheduled for an appointment, a confirmation notification is immediately sent to them, and 2 days before the appointment, they will receive a reminder notification. Please note that this timing can be changed as an admin. When receiving an email notification, patients can confirm or cancel directly from the email. This updates the appointment details to be confirmed or canceled. Now, patients don't need to log in as a patient inside of the profile to join a video session. They can go directly to their Gmail, click on an email where the invite is, and then join session directly from the email. I'm going to copy this code, then click Join Session. Once navigated to this Join Session window, I'm going to enter the secure code that we reviewed from the email. I'm going to click Join Session, and then we'll be entered into the video call with our provider account. Similar to before, there is no real call going on right now. I'm going to click Call, just so we get the full review of features. Just like a provider, I can disable my audio and my video, and change camera. I can also send secure messages to my provider. When a patient is done, they can click End Call, and then they'll be taken to this menu. Please note that signing in is optional and is not a mandatory feature to use video calls, save records, or continue having appointments.